Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your go-to channel for expert tool reviews. If you're searching for the best detail sanders for 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right detail sander can make all the difference in achieving smooth, precise finishes on your projects. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is right for you? That's where we come in. Today, we're reviewing the top detail sanders available on Amazon, covering their features, performance, and value for money. Stick around to find out which one suits your needs best. And don't forget to check the description box and the first comment for the product links. Now let's dive in. Bosch GSS 18V -10 Cordless Orbital Sander L Box 136. When it comes to professional grade sanding, the Bosch GSS 18V -10 Cordless Orbital Sander Street ends out. Powered by an 18V battery, this cordless sander offers incredible mobility without compromising performance. It features a microfilter system that effectively captures dust, keeping your workspace clean. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the powerful orbital motion delivers a smooth finish on a variety of surfaces. If you're looking for reliability and efficiency, this Bosch model is an excellent investment. Check the description for the best deals on this sander. Black Gia 1 Deca Mouse Detail Sander BDEMS 600. The Black Gia 1 Deca Mouse Detail Sander BDEMS 600 is perfect for intricate sanding jobs. With a compact, ergonomic design, it easily reaches tight corners and detailed areas. It features a 1.2 amp motor that provides sufficient power for most small to medium projects. The 3-position grip allows for enhanced control, making it a great tool for detailed woodworking, furniture refinishing, and even metal sanding. Additionally, the high-performance dust collection system ensures a cleaner work area. This sander is a solid choice for those who need precision at an affordable price. Skill 1.2 Amp Multisander SR 232,301. If you're searching for a budget-friendly yet effective detail sander, the Skill 1.2 Amp Multisander SR 232,301 is a fantastic choice. This compact sander comes with a hook and loop sanding pad for easy paper changes, and the dust seal switch extends the tool's lifespan. Despite its affordable price, it packs a punch with 1.2 amps of power, making it ideal for small to medium sanding projects. Plus, its microfiltration system keeps dust under control. For DIYers and hobbyists, the Skill Multisander is a great option that balances affordability and performance. Works 20V PowerShare Sandec 5 in -1 Multisander. For those who need versatility and power, the Works 20V PowerShare Sandec 5 in -1 Multisander is a game changer. This unique tool comes with 5 interchangeable sanding plates, allowing you to tackle a variety of sanding applications. The PowerShare battery system means you can use the same battery across multiple works tools, adding extra convenience. It also features variable speed control, so you can adjust the speed according to the task at hand. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, this sander delivers exceptional results. If versatility is your top priority, this is the one to go for. There you have it, the best detail sanders you can buy on Amazon in 2025. Each of these options offers unique features suited to different needs, whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And remember, check the description box and the first comment for direct product links to get the best deals. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.